Hey y'all, so just got home from work. I'm just sitting on the couch. Anyway, I wasn't able to vlog this morning. I'll just tell you guys what happened today. I woke up super late today. I didn't get to work until 10. And then at work, I just worked. If you guys don't know what I do, I don't think I've ever said it. I'm a legal secretary, so I'm emailing attorneys and surrogates office and judges chambers and calling and faxing and copying and scanning and all that all day long. So, yeah, but I have to go get Pootie in a little bit. She get off at 7, so when me and Pootie get together, stuff just happens. So it'll be some type of some type of exciting moment or something in today's vlog. But if you haven't checked out day 11 vlog, go check that out, because if you watch all the way to the end, it's freaking hilarious. So if you haven't, go check that out. I will link that in the description box down below. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill until I go get Pootie.
Happy day 12, people. It's Mom. So, I wanted to get a clip of my first, so I'm like, the handyman around the house. It's just me, you know what I mean? Like, I'm the adult. I know how to fix things. But, so I did a boo-boo with my car key. Like, the little loop on it is broke off, so I can't attach it to my regular keys. So what I have done is I've been watching like a lot of do-it-yourself videos with glue guns. So I took it upon myself to see if I can do a outer case for my key so I can be able to hook it up to the keys. It's kind of like, you know how you guys have the little hand sanitizer holders that link to the key. So it's something like that. So I wanted to get this in video so you guys can see how I do on my first do-it-yourself project. So I want you to get a view of what I started it, and don't pay attention to the box that it's on. I wanted it to be on some plastic so it really wouldn't stick to nothing, the hot glue. So it's on a box of cards that I bought. So here is what it looks like now. So you guys can kind of get an idea of the key. So it's surrounded in glue at the moment, and it definitely does have to completely dry, which it hasn't done yet, but it has somewhat dried. So see, now you can see the top. So you'll kind of get an idea of what I'm trying to accomplish here. So from looking at this, what I can tell you, this is my old key. This key was replaced in my car, so thankfully I had this old key left. So this is the part, this little loop that's broke off on my new key. So that's the part where the keychain goes, and that's the part that's missing, so it cannot connect to my keys. So again, I'm trying to do this do-it-yourself project to see if I can come up with this case. So once this completely dries, I am going to pop out the old key, and hopefully the new key is easy to pop back in, and then I can attach my car key to my regular keys. So stay tuned. I will have the finished product, and if it came out right, keeping my fingers crossed, we'll see. So I'll catch y'all when I'm done. Bye. So hey people, I'm back, and I'm more than excited to say that my do-it-yourself project came out a lot better than I expected. So I did show DiOna the finished product. I kind of let her know what I was aiming for. You know, she saw the finished product and it looks stupid. It might look stupid. That may be the case, but it will definitely help us from not losing the key. So here's the finished product. Now, it's not the cutest, right? However, I did reach the goal of being able to reconnect my key back to my house key and all my good stuff. So now I no longer have to put my car key in my pocket or my coat pocket, my pants pocket. I can throw it right in the bag because it's connected to all the rest of the keys. So high five to me. It's not the cutest. However, it definitely serves the purpose. See, it's encasing the entire key. We still have access to lock the door, auto start, things like that, and it magically hooks. Now, at any given moment, all of this is glue, mind you, people, because there's nothing there. So at any moment, if I begin to see this tear or looks like it's separating, I can always fix it by adding a little more glue. So I'm excited. It did the purpose. Yay, me. And I'm out.
Look who's home.
Girl. Live life. I know sometimes I'm gonna get down.
What you eating?
You know I have yet to see the porridge. You know remote. Remember I got the remote?
Yeah.
My Panera.
Oh. Talking about something to give it to my baby. The guy said,
Yeah.
sure.
I took a piece and never remember.
I need to see when the Polar Express comes on. I didn't see that yet.
You is not. Have you ever been a kid? How do you not see that?
What? No, she's saying this year. She watches it every year, just like I watch The Grinch.
Oh, because I was about to
I
say.
see that movie.
That's my
Yeah,
favorite
I'm
movie.
like, he got the remote.
You trying to watch it now?
I'm trying to see when they come on.
They come on, you know, they show Freeform show all the
Meir!
Christmas movies.
What?
Freeform shows all the Christmas ABC Family. You know, it's Freeform now.
Meir,
They show
can I see the
25
remote?
Days of Christmas. They show all the Christmas movies.
Can I see the
Why
remote?
you call that?
Freeform?
Yeah.
I don't know why they changed it.
That's stupid.
I guess somebody else bought it or something.
Bought it.
Bought it.
Bought it.
Bought it.
Bought it. Bought it.
Wow, yo.
No, she didn't. Pootie, get her! Get her! What's wrong with that lady?
So he gonna bring me the remote or?
Probably not. He probably went back to sleep after he
Meir, can I see the
devoured
remote?
that cookie.
I just heard.
Is that a peanut chip?
What?
Bitch, give me one.
She was tearing them up. They probably gone now.
Right, let me
Give me. Oh no.
What's
you
in my
didn't.
pocket?
Nah.
Chaz, pull out all the wrappers. Pull out all the wrappers.
Girl. Oh yeah.
Meir, can I see the remote?
Oh, when it got my tooth pulled, I remember I had to stop fucking eating
Me
these
too.
for a
That's
minute.
right. When I got
So
mine
took
pulled,
my
I was so
ass and
mad.
did it. I ain't got that back there now. I can fucking eat these.
Hello, Meir.
Pootie. I don't know what they do all day. They'll never be at work.
You saw how she shaded us?
Oh,
She shaded us. For real. She be throwing all the shade.
Then he sounded like he was out the bathroom.
Leave my brother alone. You gotta wait. You gotta wait.
Go fucking get it yourself now.
You gotta wait.
Where am I talking about?
I'm going upstairs to clean my room. I'll see you guys.
You want to clean your room? You have company today?
Yeah, that's the only time she can
Ah,
room.
excuse you. No,
What's going on around here?
So, first
You have
of all,
company?
Terica.
But yes or
Oh,
no? Yes
don't
or
act like I haven't been having my room
Yes
clean for these
or
last couple
no?
weeks. Fat man destroyed
Yes
my room.
or no?
Yes or no
Are
what?
you happy?
Yes.
See, Pootie, give me 5.
I broke it down trying to grab that leather. No, I was supposed to clean freaking what was the date? Yesterday. But we got home and I had the itis.
You just gonna happen to clean it today.
Man, we had the itis yesterday. I didn't even want to do mama's makeup, but I felt bad.
She did the itis. Huh?
You know she don't eat nothing.
Oh, I left it out.
No, I put it in the refrigerator. You took it out?
Yeah.
Oh, sink, booty, sink. Got
The shrimp wasn't right.
Oh my God, here she go.
No, because you know what it look like they do? It look like they cook them and then freeze them. And then just heat them up and put them, like, they don't look fresh. They ain't look right.
But you wanted it, and this is what you usually get.
Right. The other time you did them.
You know what I did? I didn't eat the chicken. I wasn't in the mood for chicken. I threw the chicken away. I didn't eat the chicken.
Yeah. Why you like it?
No, I just wasn't in the mood. You know I'll be with chicken. I'll be iffy with chicken.
know what you should do?
Throw it away?
Hmm? No, I ate the noodles and the shrimp. I just threw the chicken away.
You should do the hickey prank on Wayne.
The what?
Everybody been doing that lately.
The what?
She want me to.
Listen, man, I want to laugh.
She said that I should do the hickey prank on Wayne.
What the
And
hickey prank?
I guess I'll have a
Put
hickey.
makeup on and make it look like a hickey, and then you basically gotta try to, like, your other person gotta.
You have to make it noticeable.
You gonna do it so Wayne can get shit?
Yeah.
Yeah. She was saying that you should do that for.
No, I'm not doing that.
Damn. Why?
No.
Because they're a new relationship.
Yes, I would never do him like that.
Wayne just gonna look at me stupid, like, what you got makeup on yourself? He gonna be like, you missed your lips?
Walk around and be like, what you do to yourself? Like, I didn't think it's a damn bruise.
Yeah.
Why don't you get your new boo with your hickey shit? Pootie. This new boo don't nobody know.
Wait, what new boo?
I don't know.
The one you been going on these dates with?
We went to the movies, girl.
Yeah, I about to say, she told me a movie.
This is the dark skin one.
She's not dark skinned.
I thought this was the one that was sitting on the porch that day.
No.
The one that
As you can see, Pootie is a hoe. Ma, who the hoe?
Who, Pootie?
Oh my God, she messed it up, Pootie.
Pootie.
I was saying, who the hoe? You supposed to say, she the hoe.
Oh, do it again.
Oh my God.
Retake.
She said retake. Who the hoe? God dang it, I'm going upstairs. Bye.